Welcome to the Iron Lady Leadership Masterclass. So, my name is Rajesh Bhatt and I'm the CEO of Iron Lady, and it's my pleasure to welcome all of you and invite you to this very exciting masterclass over the next 5 days. So, I'll tell you why I'm super excited, because every week we support a few hundred people in going through this masterclass every week. And in these times of challenging, lockdowns and pandemic and all that stuff, I derive my energy from supporting people. And over the last 13 years, we would have supported more than 10,500 women to reach the top. So, and it's my privilege to be able to support you this week. And I invite you to ensure that you use this opportunity that you have in the next 5 days to chart out a path for your career or your business, right? So I really invite each one of you to use it like that. All right. Now we already have 200 plus people in this room, and we expect at least 100, 150 more people to join as well. All right. Okay. So before I begin, let me tell you a bit about Iron Lady and why we do what we do. Okay. How many of you are interested in knowing a little bit about Iron Lady? Okay. All right. Super. Let me. And it is my joy to share with all of you the purpose of Iron Lady and why we exist. All right. So the purpose of Iron Lady is to enable women to reach their fullest potential, to reach the top. Okay. I am not talking about some motivational stuff. I'm talking about real progress in terms of their businesses, in their progression, in getting promoted faster, in reaching, becoming top CEOs, in becoming top vice presidents of companies, right? That's the kind of empowerment we are talking about. We and it's been my privilege in the last 13 years to support many women to build their own businesses to become 100 crore businesses, to reach the top and become some of the top CEOs. I'll give you some examples. The executive director at Barclays, called Rekha Rao, is an alumni of Iron Lady. Pushpalata, is a co-founder and director of Garbhagudi, which is a 100 crore company, is a alumni of Iron Lady. Like this, there are hundreds and hundreds of women leaders. If you walk on the road and if you find a top woman leader in India, most likely she's going to be an alumni of Iron Lady. Yeah? Isn't it joyful? Isn't it beautiful that we are able to support people to reach the top like that? Yeah. And it is my privilege to be able to support you this week. Right? And I invite each one of you to start looking at how you can reach the top. Now, we call ourselves an oasis in the desert of lost hope. Let me tell you why we say that, right? Why do we call ourselves an oasis in the desert of lost hope? Can somebody guess why we say so? You can type in saying that this is why you think that we are the Iron Lady is an oasis in the desert of lost hope. Can somebody tell me why? Can somebody tell me why we call ourselves an oasis in the desert of lost hope? Guess what? Come on. You should know this. Who would like to guess? We call Iron Lady an oasis in the desert of lost hope. Why? No idea? Shall I? Shall I do the honors? Okay, let me tell you. If you look at the world, top of the top leaders, top CEOs, right? If you have 100 people at the top, how many of them are women? Top CEOs, how many of them are women? How many percent? What percentage? 50%? 40%? 20%? 10%, 5%. At the top, there are only 5% of them who are women, right? Why is it so? Are women not capable? Are women not capable? Now, the reality is women are highly capable. At the same time, last few centuries of bias, politics, all other drama that has gone on for last few centuries. See, I say this to people, right? My mother, okay, she went to school barefoot. She had only one dress to wear every single day. All 7 days, she wore the same dress when she went to school. Okay. My sister had two dresses, and she was ridiculed when she went to school. Oh my God, you should not do this. You should not, blah, 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 all this stuff, right? So she was ridiculed. My daughter, thankfully, has a slightly better environment. Your mothers perhaps had similar challenges. Yes or no? Yes. Now, the world has been biased against women for centuries together. Companies do not have women at the top is a reality. There's a huge politics is a reality. Women are not given the tools, the training, the leadership programs that are required for women to reach the top is a reality. How many have experienced that? How many have experienced that? If you can you experience that, many of you are already in the top roles in the organizations. Many organizations, you are all at the top, right? You have experienced the kind of challenges that women go through. There is no support. There is so much of bias. All this is reality. Now, Iron Lady was born with an intention to enable women to reach the top out of our own experiences. How is that? How you can ask me how, right? Iron Lady was born because my wife went through a similar experience. And I didn't want to start it, by the way, okay? My wife said, when she was going through this kind of bias and all that stuff, she said, why, I want to really grow fast. How can I do it? And then some tips, some insights I gave her. She was earning 4 times the salary with 3 times promotion and all that in the span of 3 years. Shocked she was, because she was getting lesser salaries than most of the people who are less competent than her in her organization. She works for one of the top organizations. When she started using these techniques, I'm going to share with you right now in the next 5 days, it was huge growth for her. Now, this is no personality development stuff. Okay, there's no personality development. We are not personality development people. We are people who focus on leadership. What is the difference between leadership and personality development? Can somebody type? I've enabled chatting. What is the difference between personality development and leadership? One who leads, very good. Personality development is what? Leader is a role model. Personality development pertains to something else, right? Self-development. Self-development is good. Personality development is self, right? Leadership is about leading an organization, taking bigger risks, reaching the top. Leadership is about focusing on, okay, I'll give you a clear definition of leadership. Everybody can make a note, okay? Leadership is your ability to produce big results consistently. Huge results consistently through your purpose and consistent actions. Yeah, personality about developing yourself. If you develop yourself, you are a nice person. Do you become a top CEO? No. You are a nice human being. You are well mannered. You are highly groomed. Do you become a top CEO? Rekha Rao, who became the executive director at Barclays. Imagine she dresses very well. Imagine. Will she be selected for the executive director role? आप कितने अच्छे ड्रेस कर रहे how well you are dressed you are, madam. Please come and join as executive director. Imagine. Ah, how good is your English, madam? So good you are. What English? Please come and join as an executive director. 1.5 crore salary. You get it? No, right? Now, I'll give you another example. Neelmani Gandhi was a lawyer. Okay, she was a lawyer. Now, many of them are doctors, lawyers like this in our community. She came to the program. She had no revenues. Okay, she wanted to do something different, not a normal lawyer. She was an advisor at the Bombay High Court. What does she want to do? She wants to become an international, a global arbitrator. Okay, global arbitrator. Now, she said, I will become one of the top arbitrators in the world, right? So, what did she want? She wanted to reach the top very fast, right? Now, when she came to the program, like all of you come today, she wanted to be one of the top. As I'll show you her LinkedIn profile. Okay, this is Neelmani Gandhi. Huh? So she didn't even have a LinkedIn profile when she came to the program. Okay, now what did she do? She said, I will build a phenomenal capability of leadership so I can resolve disputes. In 2.5 months' time, she started making revenues of about 80,000 rupees per month from zero. Now that's what I want all of you to learn. Leadership is about winning at any cost. Leadership is about producing big results again and again and again and again. Everyone clear? Now, most of you have more than 5 years of experience, right? More than 5 years, because our basic criteria for selecting people into our masterclass is 5 years of experience. Minimum 5 years of experience is required. If you don't have 5 years of experience, you are not eligible for this program. I'm sure that all of you have 5 years of experience. Okay. Now, because our criteria ensure that we get only people with 5 years experience, and generally people who come into a program are 15 years of experience on an average. Some of you may have 20, 25, right? So what are we saying here? We are saying for you to reach the top, you want to be one of the top leaders. Now see, Rashida is saying 20 years, right? Most of you will have around 15 years of experience, 10, 15 years of experience, right? Now see 15, see, right? Now, can we invite everybody, all of you? Can I invite you to share your background? What do you do? What do you do? Where are you from? And what do you do? Two things. You can say marketing head at XYZ company. 20 years. See, Shanti is 20 years, right? And where are you from? You can say, I am from 22 years. See? Supply chain consultant, school principal, pharma marketing head, L&D professional. Shweta is project manager. Priyanka is from Mumbai. Somebody is from Dubai. From Rolls Royce. Now see, some of the top educationist, fantastic, welcome, entrepreneur, wellness specialist, HR director, Sima is HR director, Sushma. So now can you see that in this room here, you have some of the most amazing and accomplished leaders in the world. There is no, I'll tell you something. At this point in time in the world, anywhere in the world, CF4, Rice Export Business, Honey is a principal, right? Manjula is a, so SVB bank manager, right? Punjab. So in this room, as you can see, some of the most accomplished women have gotten together to celebrate the joy of leadership, the accomplishment of leadership. Can we welcome everybody here? Welcome. Can we welcome? Really welcome everybody. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Super, fantastic. So, product process coach mentor. Lakshmi is a process coach mentor. Neha is a product marketing specialist. So super. Now you see, almost all of you have more than 10 years. Some of you may be independent entrepreneurs. For example, you are a solopreneur. You are running your own small business. How many of you are running a small business here? You're running a small business. Okay, see, many of you are running a small business. You may be doctors. How many of you are doctors here? Doctors, anybody here? Doctors? Yes. See, many of you are doctors. PhD. Many of you have PhD. See, there are doctors here. Bakery business. Shweta is running a bakery business, right? So you have doctors. Many of you are doctors, right? Director of a medium scale company, small business. So you have the group of the most amazing accomplished women leaders in this group here. I want all of you to just experience this, okay? You have in your own WhatsApp group as well, you have some of the most accomplished women leaders around in your group. I invite you to learn from each other. Ensure that you are really speaking in a way that you are empowering each other, supporting each other. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. So you see Sandhya teaching, teachers. There are many teachers here. Dr. with 8 years experience. Superb. Welcome. Welcome. Superb. 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 Fantastic. Meera is already leading more than 500 ladies. That's fantastic. Now, what are we going to talk about? So we are talking about why is this an OSS? Because there is no other place in the world, unfortunately, which is enabling people to reach the top fast, like the way that we are trying to do it. No other place, unfortunately. They're all talking lip service to women empowerment. Most companies, most organizations, most schools, business schools are doing lip service, isn't it? No right platform, like Priyanka is saying. Most platforms are useless platforms, just doing chit chat, chit chat, chit chat. What platform is that? Now, people seem to think, okay, women are only interested in chit chatting. Are women, do the women not have goals and aspirations to reach the top? How many of you have no aspirations to reach the top? If you had no aspirations, you wouldn't have landed here, isn't it? You wouldn't have come here, isn't it? Right? So now that's the intention of ILD. Now what do? We do focus on enabling you to reach the top. How do you do that? We do that in the next 5 days through the principles of leadership. Now, how do you do that? Let's look at this. So all of you already know me, so I'm not going to bore you with my introductions, except to tell you that this is my 6th business. Okay, ILD is my 6th business. I'm also a very proud father of 2 daughters. One is a 11-year-old and another one is a 1.5-year-old. I have 2 wonderful daughters, and the last 6 months have been the most joyous time of my life being at home. So now look at this, right? So first question I'm going to ask. So let's first go through the what are you going to learn today? Okay, what are you going to learn today or next 5 days? First thing that you're going to learn is something called how to set BHAG. How many of you heard BHAG? How many of you know BHAG? A BHAG? Anybody? Somebody's financial. Okay, BHAG. Okay, let me tell you what BHAG is. Sri Divya has learned what BHAG is. Okay, how to set a goal like a leader. Now, why is it so important? It is important because the first principle, first differentiation, or first thing that leaders differentiate themselves with is the way they set goals. Okay, the way they set goals, not just for themselves but for their companies, right? Not just smart goals, Deepa, not just smart goals. So we are talking about something different. Okay, we'll talk about it as we go along today. How to set goals in an extraordinarily different way is something that we'll learn today. It's the first principle. How do leaders set goals? And remember, all of you, please understand this. All of you, I hope that all of you have a pen and a paper. I hope your relationship manager told you to carry a pen and a paper. Parag is showing it up. Very good. Good, Parag. Thank you so much. Preeti has a okay. Everybody, all of you have a pen and paper, right? So you will set goals the way leaders do today. Second, so remember, this is not a YouTube video, so you can't keep fast forwarding this video. So you have to bear with me. Okay, so you have to bear with me. Okay, so you first thing today you learn is how to set goals the way leaders do. Second thing you learn is define breakthrough actions in a way the leaders. So imagine that there is a leader who is with a similar background as yours. How does she take actions? What kind of actions that a leader take towards the BHAG? What specific actions can you take? And you will do this in reality. Start jotting down some of them at least. Okay. Third principle you learn is called how to update your profile with a differentiated brand. What is the differentiated brand? Differentiated brand is a way of branding yourself in a way that you'll stand out in the world. We have a unique way in which thousands of senior women have already set up their differentiated brands. Okay, this is unlike anything else you have ever heard of. Okay, this is a way you will stand out in the world. Now, why is it so important? Can somebody tell me why it's so important for, especially for you? Why is it so important? Some of you may say, "Hey, Rajesh, I am a teacher. Why is it so important to me? I am a small-time bakery, running a small-time bakery. I am not interested." Somebody may say like that. It's your identity. No, it's more than your identity. It is your roadmap to reach the top. Your differentiated brand is your roadmap to reach the top. Your roadmap. A differentiated brand is like the first step in your roadmap to reach the top. For example, I'll give you some examples. You are running a bakery. From one bakery, how can you become 100? Oh, I'll tell you, one of the participants called Uma, she came to the program. She was running one center, one coaching center. In 3 months, actually 6 months time, she had 9 centers. Built a brand, expanded her center into 9 different centers in a matter of 6 months. 20 years, she was running one center for 20 years. In 6 months, she started 9 centers. How did she do that? She did that by establishing her brand powerfully. Differentiated brand. Now, how do you do that? Right? Now, Meera has a brand called Organic Fusion. How will she establish herself as such an extraordinary brand that every nook and corner of India, people will have, demand her brand versus anybody else's? That's a question that you will start answering. Of course, the program is too short for you to build everything, but you learn enough to start building a roadmap for it. Okay, it will take you almost 2 to 3 months to build it powerfully. Okay, so today you'll set the foundation in the next 5 days. So after that, you can keep building on it yourself. Roadmap is important. Absolutely. When you have a roadmap, when you have a map clearly, right, you know where to go. Then you can go. Right? If you don't have a roadmap, then it's very difficult to build it. So in the 5 days, you'll build a roadmap. You'll build unique, and then. So some of you, like Kanjar is saying, I want to serve the country. I don't care about money. How many feel like that? I want to serve the country. I want to serve children. I want to serve the needy. I want to serve the old people. I want to serve the poor people. How many feel like that? Many of you are like that. That's fine. That's fine. We have had many people from the NGO industry, not for profit organizations, making 3 times to 4 times the difference in the world that they live in. So many of you are from NGO. So start building like that. So principles are similar. What are the principles? Serve humanity. Nafisa wants to serve the humanity, right? Even NGOs need a brand. Why do they need a brand? Why does an NGO need a brand? A differentiated brand. Why do they need a differentiated brand? Can somebody tell me? Why does, yes, funding, you want funding, you want volunteers, you want sponsors. For example, I run an NGO called Head Held High Foundation. How many of you heard of that? Nobody has heard of that, right? You heard of Vasily? You heard of it? So let me hear from you what you heard of it. I'm very, very interested in knowing what you heard of it. What have you heard of it,
Actually,
Vasily?
head held high. I never knew, sir, that it was run by you or something like that. Sorry for that. But I always wanted to be a part of it, and I'm happy that I've been part of it now. It's regarding head held high is something about, giving a route map and helping people to go ahead and achieve their goals and get
Very
what
good.
they want in a very professional way.
How did
And
you come to know? How did you come to know about that, Vasily?
head held high, but basically I come from a recruitment background, so I
Ah,
have 8 years of experience,
I
and
see. I see. I see.
and
Very
as
nice.
of now, I had to quit my well-paid job, particularly because there were a lot of circumstances,
Got it.
and
I
no
got it.
regrets
Thank
for
you.
it. And now I'm a solo entrepreneur.
Got it.
I particularly concentrate on Jaipur cotton
Got it.
bedsheet, and
Thank you.
I'm fine. I'm pretty fine
Got
doing
it.
it
Thank
from
you.
my
Thank you.
home.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now see, now at least in a room of 300 people, if at least 1, 2, 3, 4 people know about some foundation that I had started, it means there is a brand, right? Now This was an organization that I had started 10 or 15 years ago. Now, even an NGO, right? You may be a teacher. Some of you are teachers. Why do you need a brand? You're a coach, you need a brand. Why do you need a brand? Because a differentiated brand is like a protective gear. It is like a protection. Whatever time, whenever something goes wrong for you, you can always go back to your brand. As an individual, you need to have a brand. For example, each one of you, right, in your organization, how many of you face politics in your organization? Very good. A brand is something that can protect you against all the politics. A differentiated brand with mentors at the top can give you protection against all politics. Okay? Now, how do you build it? You will learn in the next 5 days. Is it clear, everyone? So that's the third aspect of it. Now, how? So remember, see, first, all of you have to understand. Getting a clarity about why you are doing something is very important before you start doing something. Why are you doing this? Why is the brand important, differentiate brand so important in the organization? You may be an extraordinary performer, but one person doing politics can derail your career and life. Isn't it? Some top CEO comes and says, "Are ye Neha ko hatao, Surupa ka le jao." Isn't it? It can destroy your career. It happens in organizations. I've seen this. Now, your protection and your way to success is your brand, your differentiated brand. Now, remember, simply understand this, okay? Many women fail a lot. One is because of the politics and bias and everything else. Glass ceiling. Huge politics, glass ceiling, bias, all that is there. They also fail because they don't focus enough on building their own brand. This is a research. I'm not just saying it, okay? I've done 13 years of research, and hundreds and thousands of women who are reached the top using the ILAD principles have imbibed these principles so that they are reaching the top. Okay? So anybody who's attended a previous master class or attended a program of ILAD here? No? No? Anybody? No? Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Sometimes we have some old participants. Yes? Or Aradhana. Aradhana is here. Aradhana, let's listen to Aradhana. Aradhana, can you hear me? Yes, Aradhana. I'm very keen to listen to you about what have you learned in the last 1.5 months about building your own brand.
I think it's non-negotiable not to have your own brand. It's extremely important to stand out among the crowd and be that, differentiator, whether we call it 1% or 0.5% among, the crowd. So that's what I would say in one line. It's non-negotiable.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that, Aradhana. Now, see, this is important for all of us, right? As you build your brand and start reaching the top point, what we call in the ILAD community, we call it the 0.5% league, right? Your roadmap to reaching the top is very important for you to develop that. So start developing it in the next 5 days. Next, winning at any cost. Art of negotiation, and building a roadmap of 1 year winning roadmap with a 7-step blueprint is the next part of your game. Okay. So before I go ahead, let me invite Neha here. Neha, can you hear me?
Hi Rajesh, good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Neha. Welcome. So Neha is one of the alumni of the ILAD program. So she joined the ILAD program almost 2 years ago. This is September, November, right? November.
Yes.
September 2018.
Yes.
And she is one of the top leaders. She works as a head of alliances for CMS IT services. Okay. And what you will see, what you'll hear when you hear Neha, she also makes a difference in the lives of hundreds of women leaders out there. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, Neha, would you like to share a bit about your journey in the last 2 years? What have you been going through? What are the principles that people can apply based on the principles that you have understood so far? So we are talking about the principle of BHAG, the principle of breakthrough actions. What can you share from your journey in the last 2.5 years, Neha?
Rajesh, when I had come to the program, I was struggling with mere work-life balance, and I was not sure whether I will be able to keep my job or not. And whatever BHAG I had said got done in 3 days. I just wanted to be a team leader. And that got done in 3 days. And that is when I realized that we have to really set big goals when we come to Iron Lady. Iron Lady is not for small goals. It is for big goals, goals which don't let you sleep, goals which make you like a spring, goals that give you goosebumps. And after that, it has been one amazing journey. I have been able to make, a lot of women aspire for good careers, aspire for leadership roles. And my own career, I have been able to, be the captain of the ship.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you so much, Neha. So, what are some of the principles that you suggest that people follow, that we have been following, and you can see other people in the community follow as well, Neha?
So, Rajesh, in the community, I have seen something very magical in this pandemic time where everybody was going down in the career. Our community has thrived. People who did not have jobs have set a BHAG and people have got jobs. Entrepreneurs who were struggling to keep their business alive, they have made 2 times, 3 times progress in their business. People have launched new websites, and there are people like me who have got promoted in this pandemic. So we all have taken targets, big hairy goals, and then we have worked as per the principles for these goals.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Neha. So, Neha, so what is, so you know, many people say that it is just, motivation. Okay. Just motivate. If I'm motivated, or if Iron Lady can motivate me, I'll reach my goals. Is motivation enough?
Rajesh, motivation is a drug. Then you are addicted and you need it every day. So I have something very personal to share, if you permit me to share.
Yes, go ahead.
Very personal. Yeah. And actually, Iron Lady is not only a leadership program, it changes the way you think, it changes the way you live life. And I have experienced it very recently. There was a medical emergency in the family. And the entire responsibility was on me. And I was very upset because I was directly impacted. But I remembered the principle that I am not my emotion. I am much more than my emotion. And I was able to take charge of the situation, handle it. And today I have come back home with my husband. He's all fine. And I thanked each one in the Iron Lady team at every minute, because when everybody had broken down, I was standing strong because I knew I am not my emotion. I am above my emotion. I take care of everybody, perform at peak level, keeping my emotions aside. So this is what program had taught me. So program is not motivation. Program is not BHAG. Actually, program is way of life.
It's fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing such a powerful personal share as well, Neha. Hats off to you. Hats off to Neha, and hats off to so many people, right? Many of you, I'm sure, can relate to the story and the thing that Neha is sharing, right? I'm sure a lot of you, right, are living like this, right? A lot of you, I'm sure, are living like this, the way of life. For many of you, it must be, right? Thank you for sharing that. I'm not my emotion. I'm not going to be given and driven by my emotion. I'm going to drive the emotions. I'm going to make sure that I bring that leadership. I bring a sense of purpose, and I bring a sense of a BHAG and a way of life, and I drive that. So hats off to you, Neha, for such amazing leadership. And it is when the times are so tough that your true leadership emerges, isn't it?
Yes. This is what I realized, Rajesh. Even I didn't know that I have that strength till I discovered, and each principle came handy.
That's fantastic. Superb. Thank you so much, Neha. You are so inspiring. I'm hats off to you for accomplishing so much, and yet be so humble, and yet continue to inspire so many women leaders. Neha is also the president of the Lean In community. and she inspires women across, and she's now inspiring more and more women out there. And hats off to you for making such a big difference, Neha. It's such so nice to hear.
Rajesh, you have empowered us, and you have changed the way we think forever.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely listening to you. So anybody has any quick questions? One or two questions for Neha? Yes, go ahead. Somebody wants to ask a question, go ahead and ask the questions to Neha. Yes. Can type it quickly. Yeah, type in quickly. Somebody can type in, you can type in questions to Neha quickly, one or two questions. No questions? How to overcome our emotions? Neha is asking, yeah.
So see, something that you will that I learned in the program, that emotion is not you. It is part of you. You are feeling something, but it is not you. You are above your emotions. You are driven by your guiding stars. You're driven by your own values. You are not driven by emotions. You are feeling emotion.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing that. Now you have a flurry of questions to deal with now. How to handle ego? So how to achieve work-life balance? How did you?
There's only one I want to answer: the work-life balance, because it's my favorite.
Yes, go ahead.
There is no work-life balance. Please erase it from your dictionary. Leaders do not crave for balance. There is no work-life balance. There is only maximization. Leaders maximize a situation. Their work life is integrated, and they maximize any given situation. If there is an emergency at family, you will definitely look at it. If you have a BHAG at work, you will definitely go and get it. You'll make it happen. So leaders only maximize. Remove balance from your dictionary. The moment you give up balance, you'll be much more happy.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that. So superb. So somebody is saying, what is the one principle that you picked up from My Lady that you can then they can all start applying immediately?
So one principle that I picked up is principle of BHAG, and one BHAG after the other. The BHAG has to be achievable. It has to be within your capability, but it should not let you sleep. You should be like a spring. You should just get up in the morning. This one principle has kept me on toes and living with purpose. I think these two are my favorite.
Thank you so much. And what is your recommendation? How should people participate in the program, Neha?
Rajesh, Iron Lady program is like a stream of water. So if you go with a spoon, you will get only one spoon water. If you go with a vati, you will carry one vati of water. And if you go with a water tanker, you can fill it up completely. So I recommend everybody to go with big water tankers, fully participate, take as much as they can. No coach, no mentor can do it on their behalf. So they have to participate, they have to apply the principles and gather as much as they can. It is just an open stream. It is open to people, but they have to absorb.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Neha. Such inspiring words. I invite all of you, right? See, this program is not about me or Neha or anybody else, okay? So I invite each one of you to focus on your BHAG, your how you can implement everything, how you can make your results happen. Okay. Thank you so much, Neha. Lovely listening to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Now let's look at the next thing. Okay. Today's key topic. Okay. Today's key topic is, now before we go to the key topic as well, right? So what are the sessions that are planned for the next 5 days? This, everybody, you can take a snapshot of this if you're already not taken it. If you don't have it, you must have already had it. If you don't have it, you can take a snapshot of this. Okay. Today is an orientation BHAG 7 to 8 p.m. live. Tomorrow is a recorded session in the morning and live. So evening between 7 to 8 p.m. you have a session which is an open WhatsApp group. Means you will be speaking to each other a bit on WhatsApp between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Thursday live. Thursday and Saturday are live sessions. Okay. Tomorrow morning there's a recorded session, and evening 7 to 8 p.m. there's an open WhatsApp group. And Friday you have a shameless pitching for leaders. How do you pitch? How do you win? How do you pitch and win? That's a question. Okay. And Saturday evening, 5 to 7 p.m. is a Zoom live session for certification and future. You will have to, so winning at any cost, Saturday evening 5 to 7 p.m. is live. And for you to get certified as a part of the program, you need to be there live on Saturday evening. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Super. So tomorrow morning you'll get the session in WhatsApp. Tomorrow morning you'll get it. Okay. So wonderful. Now let's come to the session, the other session. Okay, how many? Super. All of you are super excited. I'm so happy to see that. Okay, please make a note of some of the ground rules. Okay, some of the ground rules and guidelines. Mute your WhatsApp group. Okay, there'll be 500 plus messages tomorrow evening. Do not promote yourself in the group. Outside the group, you can promote like crazy. We'll teach you how to promote. Great deal tomorrow. So block your schedule now. Means what? Saturday evening 5 to 7 is mandatory for you to get certified. Please block your time properly now. Keep your BHAG active. So we will take you right now through how to set a BHAG. Okay. How to set a BHAG we'll take you through right now. Okay. How to set a BHAG? Let's go through this. Now you have, so a BHAG is a big, hairy, audacious goal for 3 months. Remember, it has to be for 3 months. Nothing for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And your BHAG has to be specific and measurable. Your big, hairy, audacious goal has to be measurable and specific. Okay. And it has to be challenging but possible. Give you example. Okay. How many of you are entrepreneurs here? Entrepreneurs? All the entrepreneurs take a BHAG. Like, for example, you can say, I will have a monthly revenue of XYZ. Okay, I will increase my monthly revenue by 30%. Those are the kind of BHAGs that people have taken. I will have X number of customers more every month. People who are in the jobs, I will get a promotion within next 3 months, possible. Or if you can't get a promotion, other possibility. Other possibility is what? I will get a better job with a 30% hike possibility. Say third BHAG, for example, what is the other BHAG? I will get a commitment from my manager for a promotion. I will get a commitment. Commitment means what? My manager will guarantee that he'll give me a promotion. She'll give me a promotion. That's a guarantee. I will get a commitment from my manager for a promotion. That is also a possible BHAG. One BHAG. Everybody has to focus on one BHAG at a time. Okay. Remember, your BHAG has to be specific and measurable. Tomorrow you will learn some of the breakthrough actions also. Okay. Now some examples. 45% growth in my revenue, monthly revenue. New job is 60% hike, maternity leave 6 months pregnant. So these are the kind of goals, right? It has to be very challenging but possible. What is challenging? Something very, very challenging. You have to stretch your limits. Every leader sets a goal for 3 months. BHAG for 3 months. Okay. So something very challenging but possible. Next. These are some of the samples, examples. You can take a copy of this. You can take a printout of this, or you can take a picture of this. An entrepreneur with a revenue of 3 lakh rupees per month took an example BHAG. As an example, monthly revenue of increased by 80% in 3 months. These are all the BHAGs that are accomplished by our community in the last 6 months. In the last 6 months, I'm giving you some sample BHAGs that are accomplished by our community members. Okay. You can take a photo. If you want to take a photo, please take a photo quickly. I'll give you a minute to take a photo. Now, write down your BHAG right now and send your BHAG to your relationship manager so that your relationship manager can support you a little more. In WhatsApp, You can send your BHack to your relationship manager on WhatsApp right now. Very good. Rishika has sent it's a fantastic BHack. Get featured as a Woman Entrepreneur of the Year again. Fantastic, Rishika. Well done. Superb. Okay. Send your BHack to your relationship manager right now. I'll give you a minute to send it to your relationship manager. Remember, it has to be clear, it has to be measurable, it has to be specific, it has to be challenging, yet possible. Okay. Very good. So please send your BHack to your relationship manager. All of you have a relationship manager? You are already clear about relationship manager? Very good. Super. Super. Very good. Okay, let me ask you another interesting question. Okay. How many of you think that this program, it is one of the ways of marketing Iron Lady? How many of you think like that? Yes. Priyanka says me. Yes. Priya says me. Yes. 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 Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much for acknowledging that. Thank you very much for sharing that. Okay. So I'll tell you what. I have two things to share with all of you. Okay. One, definitely there are bigger programs of Iron Lady. Definitely there are bigger programs of Iron Lady. Okay. Which are paid. There are different programs of Iron Lady, or which if you are interested, you can go ahead later. Okay. But my invitation to you is, forget about the bigger programs for the time being. Why? You are not in the bigger program right now. You are in the short program. Okay. Absorb and learn everything in the next 5 days so that you can get huge value in the next 5 days. And if you're interested in the bigger program, we'll talk about it on later on. Okay. I want to see that you're focused on learning for the next 5 days instead of worrying why Iron Lady is promoting this and why Iron Lady is not promoting, because that is useless to you in the next 5 days. Next 5 days, see, I'll tell you, I'll tell this to my team also. First 4 days of the program, you are going to focus completely on this program and getting value, great value. Okay. And in the after all the 5 days are completed, if you are really interested, then you can go ahead to the next program. That we'll talk about later. I want each one of you to focus on the 5 days of the program, get huge value, and come out of it very powerful. We will figure out what happens after that. See, somebody is aware of the other program also. Very good. Very good, Rupa. Thank you for acknowledging that. Thank you for acknowledging that. See, we are doing this because we realize that a lot of people are not even finding an ability to pay the next one as well, or they don't know as well. Okay. But if anybody is interested in the longer program, you can talk about it later. Don't get sidetracked with the, oh, is it a marketing? Is it not marketing? Is it good? Is it bad? Don't get sidetracked with all those. That's my request to you. Okay. Because when I lead a program, I don't lead thinking, oh, this is register, she will register, I don't do that. I focus on ensuring that you get value. Is that clear, everyone? Superb. All right, super. Now, everybody has sent the BHack to your relationship managers. So tomorrow you will start getting value about how to reach your BHack, what specific actions you can take, how to ensure that you're moving faster towards your objectives and BHacks. Okay, it is extremely important. You focus on this. Next, now, so how many of you have a clear plan or clear understanding of the 5 days and you are committed to completing it powerfully? Completing powerfully, how many of you completed? Like, really, I want to get certified. I will tell you, in every week when people graduate, they come out with such clarity. People say it is an eye-opening experience for them. And I want to see that this batch is no different. Okay. However, let me also warn you something. 5% of the people who come to the session, 5% of the people who come to the program don't turn up on the last day. They have given up. What are the normal reasons for giving up? Hey, this BIAG is not for me. This program is not for me. It is only for entrepreneurs. People who are not entrepreneurs say it's only for business leaders. People who are business leaders say it is only for people in the jobs. People who are trying to get a job say it is not for job seekers, it's for somebody else. That is an easy way of escaping the responsibility of doing all the assignments. Don't run away from assignments. I will not leave you to do that. Okay, all the things you have to do in the next 5 days, so you can really implement and get value. Okay, so committed. Please ensure you quickly absorb. Tomorrow there is a session on breakthrough actions. What is the breakthrough action? Least result, least time, maximum result. What actions you can take? That's what you will learn tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, write down your brand. Day after tomorrow, write down. Before you come to the session on Thursday evening, start writing it down. Okay, so we will be able to fine tune some of them, provide more value, provide more guidance, so you are able to reach the top faster. Okay, no morning session timing. It is a recorded session that will be shared in the morning for the next 4 days. The recorded sessions will be shared in the morning, around between 6 to 7 it will be shared. Okay, evening session, Thursday is live, Saturday 5 to 7 is live. Everyone clear? So has anybody not sent your BHack to your relationship manager here? Anybody not sent? Everybody sent? Sent. Very good. Excellent. Anybody not sent? Sunita, if you're not sent, please send it. Please send it if you're not sent. Okay, if you're not sent, please send it. Anindita, please send it to your relationship manager. Oh, Rashi is saying my mobile is used my son. So you can use WhatsApp web. Okay, WhatsApp web you can use. So if you're not clear, okay, some of you are not clear about your BHack, send something tentative. Send something tentative to begin with. Start with something. Then you can ask more questions also. So BHack has to be sent. Teacher, you can say, I am a teacher. I want to make a bigger difference to the number of students. Many of you have your phone with your son. Please send it after this session, okay? Wonderful. Okay. So I will see all of you live again on Thursday evening for 45 minutes to an hour. And I'll see you live again on Saturday evening at 5 o'clock. Okay. So, and I look forward to supporting you in this journey. And relationship managers are the most hardworking people you will see. How many of you are super excited about participating fully? Excited, everybody? Let's really have some fun in the next 5 days. Super. Okay. So make some noise. We'll open the WhatsApp group right now. Share about your journey, share about your feedback, share about your future in the next 5 days. Ensure that you are able to deliver bigger results from now itself. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you live on Thursday evening and again on Saturday evening. And then block your times, ensure that you are there. And then we have great fun in the next 5 days. Use it as a huge opportunity. Get certified on Saturday and celebrate big time on Saturday. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Good night.